Welcome everybody to the State of the Escritoire this month. It's been a while since I've done a State of the Escritoire, so. Alrighty, so what's new? Well, I just completed my review of the Pilot 74 with the music nib, and look for that soon. Long story short, if you are an experienced fountain pen user and you enjoy stubs, you should definitely check out the music nib. This is a really fun little thing to write with. I really like this because those extra slits, the extra basic third tine almost, make it so if you give it the slightest bit of pressure, you can actually increase your ink flow, and it results in more drastic ink variation on, shading or sheen or other attributes. So it's really cool. I did not use a shimmer because this is a sponsor pen. As you can see, it still has the sticker on it. I left that on. Anyway, look for that review. That's coming up soon. Funny thing was, when I was doing that review and I tried to do the size comparison, I actually realized, so I'd sold a bunch of pens, I don't know, 8-10 pens over the last 2 or 3 months. So anyway, I'd sold a lot of my kind of standard production pens, and I'm really leaning more bespoke. So the production pens I did have were like very specific. I've got my Homo sapiens here. I actually just inked this one back up. I haven't inked this one up in probably 4 months. I usually tend to use the matte black one, but this I inked up in Day 6 Kilonova from Colorverse Color Vent. Check out my Color Vent series if you haven't seen that. But this actually was really cool. The sheen definitely did come out in the writing. Take a look at that beauty too. Rhodium. Reminds me of something like an Art Deco style train or blimp or something. I love this thing. There you go. You can really kind of see the sheen there in different parts when I move it around. So I actually really like this Kilonova. It's very intense, vibrant color, and it really does have some cool sheen. What else is going on? I will be getting my Mag 600 back. Goulet Pens took care of me on their customer service, and I'm basically getting a replacement Mag 600 because mine leaked and was faulty. And I documented it as soon as I opened it the very day. So anyway, I'm very impressed with their customer service. So I've got a new Mag 600 on the way. Today, we are jumping into a Scribe Pen. My birthday occurred not too long ago, and I snagged this at a Black Friday deal. So this is from England. Let's take a look. Opening this bad boy up, we are using a Todd Begg Citadel, basically. This is his production version of the Citadel. And this thing is like over the top and kind of fun and aggressive, but it's not something I carry too often because it is, like I said, over the top. But look at that inlay. It's got a carbon fiber inlay into the blade. How cool is that? And I love this. They call it like the big ball. It just goes right in and out of your pocket, which is very similar to, a lot of other designs, right? So like if you look at that there, it's the same concept. It's like a ball. It has a small surface point, so you don't get much friction. So it's very cool design across some things. Anyway, back over to our new pen for the day. We have a Scribe Pen from England, and this is coming all the way across the pond, they would say, because I caught it on a Black Friday deal. Oh, by the way, this knife is the most drop-shedding knife I have. Ready? Hold on. You don't have to flick it. This thing just like closes right there. Look at that. Anyway, let's get on to my Scribe Pen. Oh, we got a business card, I think. Dear Michael, thank you for your purchase. Hope you like it. Dave. Scribe Pens on Etsy.com. Thank you, Dave. Now let's dive on in. It's got a nice little sticker there. Side note while I'm unboxing this and kind of just talking here, I haven't done many unboxing videos lately because I had originally thought I was going to save them and then put them with the review So that way my review would have my opening, unboxing impressions and, you know, the review. But at that point, I realized I'm just not getting to make reviews as quick as I'd like, and I'm just sitting on the videos. So I've got, you know, the Walltown, a Q3D, all these different pens that I've filmed my opening unboxings of, but I haven't shared them yet. So at this point, just to keep up with stuff, I'm just going to do unboxings on these State of the Escritoires, and then I can get back to doing some more of the State of the Escritoires. So first, let's check out this box here. Nice and long. It's got his logo. Slides out. Oh, cool. What do we got? We got another card, and that's good. I actually didn't remember what I ordered. So we've got a Bach nib on this, and this was extra broad. Diamond cast, orange, black, and red. Let's check this out. What's this? We got a little bit of ink. Writer's blood, huh? Diamine. That's cool. I actually have not tried writer's blood yet, so that's actually a perfect little sample gift. Thank you. Check it out. So far in the box, we also have a standard converter here. Beaufort ink, it looks like it says, is the brand. Comes with a little cartridge if you'd rather use that. Put those to the side. It was a nice little thoughtful gift. Nice little pen holder. Definitely good for the fall season. Look at that. Wow, this is cool. I love how it goes from like a red, and there's no pink. It just goes from like a dark red into a like fiery orange with, there's even a little bit of like tan almost in there too. And then that mix was with the black. So this is a cool piece. Let's go under the hood. Check out those threads. That was pretty nice. Oh, beautiful grip. I tried a Scribe Pen from my friend Sarah at Fountain Pen Insanity, and I love the grip. I love concave grips more than grips that just have kind of a flare at the end and are tapered. I really enjoy this kind of concave grip here. It really lets me index my fingers and it's comfortable. So this is an awesome pen. Zoom on in. We've got our Bach nib there. Cool. This was a nice birthday gift to myself. So when they say diamond cast, there's basically little tiny specks of basically like diamond in there, and it's just like in a very, very dust fine particle quality, but it gives it kind of a shimmer to it, which is kind of cool. Cool, that'll look insane when I get it in the sunlight. Unfortunately, there's not much sunlight left out there today. Let's see, what else is going on? My wife got me a gift card, and I'm a huge comic collector, specifically Batman, and I love Nightwing as well, so I ended up getting some comics here. And let me know, guys, is this something that you would like to see, kind of adjacent things in addition to pens on, you know, maybe our updates here and there, or do you just really want to see the pen stuff? So anyway, today I'm going to open my box from Amazon and show you what I got. Alright, so I'm trying to collect all the Nightwings. So this one I realized I didn't have, so I ended up picking up that. It was kind of a hole in the middle of my collection there. And then I also have the newest one to bring my collection complete, which I always enjoy having 2 or 3 on the shelf that I haven't read, so I've got choices when it's time to read. But these ones I'm going to read in sequential order. And next up, we've got a new kind of noir Batman story. Can you see it there? There you go. It's kind of a noir look with, you know, the old time, like 1930s look. So I'm going to check that out. And hopefully the art is cool on the inside too. Actually, let's just open it up and show you. Let's see the art. That's some cool art. Okay, I can dig this. I like how it's more realistic than cartoony or anime styles. I prefer, you know, like I love as real as it gets type art. Check out that. And I also got a Nightwing Year 1, 20th Anniversary Edition, huh? That's cool. Let's check this out. This is kind of to go along with retconned, Year 1 stories of characters. So this one is more of the kind of cartoony style like I was talking about. So I'm not as big on the art, but hopefully it's got a good story. And yeah, check that out. That'll be cool to read. Alright guys, let me know, are you into seeing other random hobbies of mine, like the comics, or should I keep it just to pens? Thanks again guys, but it's actually time for me to go and open up my new Colorverse Color Vent Calendar of the Day ink. So I'll talk to you soon. Take care guys, happy holidays. And thank you to Scribe Pens.